Hi and welcome to you guys. We just thought we'd share these unmouldings with you. We've made these beautiful trays and items out of Just For You Online's Eco Pour. We are absolutely loving the simplicity of this product. You order the powder and literally all you need to do is add water. It couldn't be simpler. It's so easy to mix as well. So you can add colour if you want to as well. For that you would need Jesmonite colours or alcohol ink, mica powders, acrylic paint, water-based colours. That's what you kind of need for these really. But they are just so simple, and after about half an hour, these were made, it took about 10 minutes, and then you let them sit for about half an hour, then you can unmould and let them sort of dry and cure for the rest of the time, 24 hours. These moulds as well, this beautiful mould is also from Just For You Online, and they've got an offer on at the moment. So if you buy over 4 items or more, you'll get 20% off. Or we've got a little code you could use as well. If you wanted to just buy 1 or 2 items, with our code you could get 15% off. But I highly recommend, if you want to have a go at crafting and resin sounds a bit too scary for you because you need to use masks and it's got hazardous materials, then this is definitely the one for you. So simple, so easy, so quick and so effective. We absolutely love it. So Just For You Online UK and their Eco Pour product. Pop over and have a look. Thanks for watching.